Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you are not new, welcome back. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I posted a video the other day letting you guys know that I'm going to be filming a day in the life video today. So basically, I'm going to be showing you guys what I have to eat, breakfast, lunch, dinner, my drinks. I'm also going to be showing you guys my workouts, and I'm also going to be meal prepping, so that is exciting. The reason I'm meal prepping is because I have been doing Dari Hanonova's workout guides. After reading her nutrition information in there, I realized that I need to consume more carbs than I'd like to consume, but that's okay. And the reason why I need to eat more carbs is because if I don't, I'm not gonna achieve my goal that I want, and that's just building muscle, booty gains, and just being stronger. So I do need to consume more carbs than I like. So you guys will see that. I'll go more into detail when I'm meal prepping, because I'm gonna add in things that you should not eat if you are on keto or if you are on a low carb diet. But anyways, we'll get to that. So we are doing another giveaway in this video. This giveaway is sponsored by outage, and it's super simple to enter. There are only 3 rules that you have to follow. You can win yourself one of these bottles of water. This one is a half gallon and this one is a gallon. 3 simple rules. First rule, all you have to do is make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed. Rule number 2 is make sure you go on Instagram, make sure you follow myself and outage on Instagram. And then rule number 3, you're gonna comment down below under this video and let me know what color you'd like and what size bottle you would like. So I'm gonna show you guys the 2 different sizes and the 3 different colors that they come in. If you want a half gallon, this is a half gallon. It comes in pink and it comes in blue. So in order to consume half a gallon of water a day, you have to drink 2 of these. So you fill it up in the morning, and then once you are out, it will tell you to refill, and then you fill it up again, and then you drink that, and that is half a gallon. And this is the full gallon. This is massive. It's so huge, but it's so worth it. You don't have to refill this at all. You just fill it up once during the day, and it tells you where you should be throughout the day, and then that's it. It really helps you drink your gallon of water. So this one comes in purple and blue. So if you want a gallon and you want blue, just all you have to do is comment 1 gallon blue. These come in pink and blue, half a gallon pink or blue, whichever color you prefer. So I want to thank outage again so much for sponsoring this giveaway. So don't forget to like this video, make sure you're subscribed, follow both of us on Instagram, and just comment down below on what size and what color you want. And I'm gonna give you guys a week to follow the steps, and then there should be a video up within a week announcing who the winners are. So without further ado, let's start this video. So it's about 10:30 and I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make yet. We shall see. So I'm just gonna make a breakfast burrito this morning, super quick, with scrambled eggs, turkey sausage, and some avocado. So let's go. Okay, change of plans, guys. I'm gonna actually make the burrito with this Angus beef. Alright guys, it's lunchtime, but I'm not really that hungry. I don't know why, so I'm just gonna make something really small. I'm gonna be making toast topped with almond butter and bananas, and then I'm gonna have a side of fruit. So that will be my lunch today. This is the almond butter that I use. I just got it from Walmart. And it's really good. I had it last night after my workout. It's really good, and it has 5 grams of carbs and 6 grams of protein. I have toast with almond milk. I mean, not almond milk. I have toast with almond butter loaded with bananas and strawberries. So this is what I'll have for lunch today. And I plan on working that within the next hour. So today's day 4. I'm in my attic. I'm going to start this workout. Today we're focusing on triceps, shoulders, and abs. So yeah, after I'm done working out, I am going to go downstairs and meal prep. So I'm going to film that for you guys as well. So, all right, let's go. Good morning, guys. Today's Friday, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know that there was a really bad storm here in Pittsburgh last night, and it knocked off everyone's, over 30,000 people's electricity, including myself. We didn't have power for about 4 to 5 hours, so I wasn't able to meal prep last night for you guys, but that's okay. I'm going to meal prep for you guys this afternoon, and hopefully this video can still be up by Friday night or Saturday morning. I didn't eat dinner last night because I was just so stressed about not having power, and I just completely forgot to eat, and my main focus was trying to not open the refrigerator. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I eat, and then yeah, we'll start the meal prep. Breakfast today is super simple. I'm just gonna have a piece of toast with an over easy egg and a piece of watermelon. So before I start meal prepping today, I wanted to talk to you guys about what I'm making and why I'm making it. If you haven't watched my video where I talked about starting a new fitness journey, please go check that video out and then come back to this video. You'll kind of understand more on why I'm meal prepping the way I am. So when I purchased Dariana's fitness guide, it came with a section of nutrition, and she thoroughly explains why you need different types of foods in your bodies, including carbs. So if you don't know, I have been at my goal weight for about 3 or 4 months now, and what I'm doing to maintain that is just eating a low carb diet and I love my low carb diet. It's worked. I haven't gained any weight back. Anyways, after purchasing her guide and kind of reading it and, you know, reevaluating things, I am going to be incorporating more carbs into my meals. I know, but I'm not going to be doing it every single day. So my goal right now is to build more strength, build muscle, and like build a butt if that's possible. According to her and according to her clients, that is possible. So that is my goal right now. But in order to achieve that, in order to achieve the butt and muscle and strength I do need to consume carbs. More carbs than I actually want. But that does not mean I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get a McDouble, or I'm not gonna eat a baked potato, or I'm not gonna go to Olive Garden and get, you know, pasta. That just means I'm incorporating more good carbs, more fruit, more starchy vegetables, more beans, more peanut butters, more whole grain things, more yogurts, and just things like that that do have a little bit more carbs, but they're also high in protein as well. And that is also what I need to consume more, is protein. If you're watching this and you are strictly keto, strictly low carb, please don't make what I'm making today. I'm gonna be making two different things. I'm gonna be making about 4 or 5 meals that have ground turkey in it. It's very lean ground turkey, and it has a lot of protein in it. So I'm gonna make that with a side of brown rice, black beans, and roasted broccoli. And then for my other meal, I'm gonna be making shrimp, and then the same sides. So I'm gonna save those in the refrigerator, and then after my workouts, I'm just gonna eat that. Yeah, guys, let's get started with this meal prep. As you guys can see, I have brown rice, ground turkey, and roasted broccoli on this side. And then on this side, I have about 5 to 6 pieces of shrimp, roasted broccoli, and brown rice. So again, I plan on eating these right after I work out because they have a lot of protein in them. I do have the black beans here, but I'm not gonna put them in the container right now. I'm gonna just put them over the rice when I'm ready to eat it. So, but yeah, guys, this is what I've prepped for my after I work out. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video now. My kitchen is a mess, so I have to clean the kitchen, but thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to enter the giveaway. Just follow the 3 steps and you'll be entered to win, and then we will pick 2 winners within the next week. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.